Hi, I'm Tash, Sales Support here at Archant. We are frequently asked by our customers on how to clean and care for our EcoGranit sinks. An EcoGranit sink is a granite composite sink created from 85% crushed quartz and 15% colour and resin. They are incredibly durable and hygienic, scratch, stain and heat resistant, which makes them a really popular choice. Due to the nature of the material, it has a matte finish, which can be a great design feature in a kitchen, especially when paired with a matte tap or matte handleware. Many homeowners want to know how easy these sinks are to maintain. Daily maintenance is really easy. The one thing that does show up is the line from everyday water use, which can become quite noticeable, especially in the black bowls. To avoid the lime scale buildup, we recommend a simple and quick daily clean. This consists of giving the bowl a light scrub with some dishwashing liquid and then scrub out with one of our magic sponges. A thorough rinse with some fresh water and then dry out with a lint-free cloth. We recommend this at the end of each day. Sometimes an occasional deep clean is needed. If any staining is apparent, this is generally a buildup of limescale, which absorbs staining agents like tea or coffee and red wine. If this is the case, your sink may benefit from a deeper clean. If you do have limescale deposits, you can use our easy-to-use cleaning kits or simply dissolve 1 or 2 Finish brand dish tabs in a few centimetres of hot water. Leave this to soak overnight and then scrub thoroughly the next day, rinse and dry your sink out. Easy as that. They are super durable, but they can still chip. So please take care not to drop sharp knives or any heavy pans at the bottom of the bowl. Also, be mindful of hot boiling water, especially with the black sinks, as this can cause discoloration over time. We do recommend that you run the cold tap as a precaution. In the unfortunate event that a chip may occur in your sink, these can be repaired. So if possible, hold on to the chipped piece, as this will help with the repair process. The EcoGranites are a non-porous material, so any stains are generally at surface level and can easily be removed. With the white bowls, you can use a diluted bleach and water solution to help with any stains. Metal deposit marks can appear like scratches. These are marks caused by the bottom of a pan, and they come out really easily with your magic sponge. And just remember, black shows everything. They do require a little bit more maintenance, but it is worth it. They are a wise investment, they're robust and they are beautiful. The trade-off is that they require just a little bit more maintenance than your standard stainless steel sink. If you are unsure if these sinks are the right fit for your household, do pop into one of our showrooms to see them in person. We have design specialists to answer all your questions and help with all your project needs.